Welcome to EduForest. Guys, today we will solve question number 3 of exercise 12.2 from chapter 12 CBSE class 10 math. Now here the question is the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So this is the question we have to solve. First of all, let me draw a circle so that you will get clear idea about the process of solving this particular problem. Okay. Now imagine that this is its center. Okay. Now let me write the numbers like this so that you will get clear idea. Suppose the minute hand is at this position. Okay. After 5 minutes, its new position will be here. Okay. Now let me take a stick like this. Here I have taken a small stick. Okay. Let me break this stick from here so that it will be the length of this stick will be equal to the length of this minute hand. Okay. Now what will do? Let me rotate like this. Now look here, when this stick rotates like this, when it makes one complete rotation, how much angle does it create at the center? Okay. How much angle does it make at the center when it makes one complete rotation? So obviously it is 360 degree. Is not it? So when this minute hand complete one rotation, how much time does it take? It takes 60 minutes. Okay. So you can write here, in 60 minutes the minute hand makes how much angle? 360 degree angle at the center. Okay. In 1 minute, it will make angle will be how much? 360 by 60. So this will be how much? 6 degree. Okay. So in 1 minute 6 degree angle is created at the center by the minute hand. So in 5 minutes it will make angle is 1 minute 6 degree. So 5 minutes 6 into 5, so it is 30 degree. Okay. So the angle made by this minute hand in 5 minutes is 30 degree. Now, so write down here, now here theta, angle theta is 30 degree. Okay. Then radius of the sector. Now which one is the sector? Look here, if you take the minute hand, here it is given the length of the minute hand is 14 centimeter. That means this is now the area swept by this minute hand is this much. The tip is moving in this direction. The locus of the tip of this minute hand is like this. Okay. So that means this is the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. So you need not have to take the area up to this circle, because the tip of the minute hand is moving along this path. Okay. So this will definitely, it will move like this in a circle. Okay. In a circle it will move. So this portion looks like a sector, since it is a part of this circle. Okay. Which is confined between these two radius and this arc. Okay. So now this is a sector. So how to find out the area of a sector? You know the formula for finding the area of a sector is how? What is the formula? Let me erase this one first. Now here theta is 30 degree. Now what is the radius of the sector? Radius of the sector is 14 centimeter because it is equal to the length of the minute hand. Okay. Now what is the area finding the, what is the formula for finding the area of a sector? You know, area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is how much? You know, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So this is the formula for finding the area of a sector. So theta by 360, so theta is how much here? 30 degree. So right here 30 by 360 into pi. Pi is here, pi is not given, value of pi is not given in this question. So that means you have to take 22 by 7 as the value of pi. So this one into r square, that is 14, so 14 square. Okay. So that means this will be cancelled. Now this will be cancelled, so 12. Okay. Then what we'll do? This will be like this. So 22 in the numerator, and this will be 14 into 14. Okay. So divided by 12 into 7. Okay. Now 7 2, then 2 6. Okay. Then 2 11 2 3. So this will be how much? 14 into 11. 154 by, in the denominator it is 3. So your answer will be how much? 3 5 3 1 51. So 51 whole 1 by 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of the sector. Now you have, if you will express it in decimal form, so it will be 51 point, you know, 1 by 3 is 0.333 like this. So you have to write in this way 0.33, just round up to 2 places of decimal. So this much will be our answer. Okay. So in this way you can solve this particular problem. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon on so that you will get notification when I will post my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.